In this video, I'm going to teach what is React. So React is basically a JS library to create fast and interactive user websites. It has gone very much, means the users in React is very much high. So it was basically developed by Facebook. And then it's also open sourced by many of the engineers. So it is like the open source library for all the developers out there. And then it is built on top of JavaScript, so it is not nothing new language or something else. It is built on top of JavaScript. So if you see some Iron Man, so all the suit is like React and outer part is React and whatever is inside that is JavaScript. So we can make a close call there. Yeah, so whatever you see in website, so it will be front end and back end. So whatever users see, it will go through React only. So backend will do something, it will send to front end through React. So the communication which was going through user, it is through purely React. Why React? So basically until now, whatever websites you are seeing, it was purely based on React. But previously in the old ages like 1980s, 1990s, all the websites are built on purely HTML. So there is no user interaction. There is no something user can do. They can just come to the website and see that. But now as the country is winding up and so many users are building up in the website, so we need to make it user interactive and take some info from the user. So to make it more interactive and to build a fast web pages, we will go for React. So there are so many things in React. The first one is it is very fast loading and dynamic content page. So whatever pages you see, the compared to HTML page, React page will load very much fastly. And then it is very designer friendly. So using JavaScript or HTML to make some design of a good web page, it will take more time. But using some React libraries or some CSS libraries, we can make very easy or very user friendly websites. And then it is also readable and good maintenance code. So in React, unlike JavaScript, we can make good code and we can separate into components and we can do whatever stuff you want and we can reuse all those components. And then the consistency, so using so React can handle so many users at a time, so the load on the page will also reduce when we go for React. And then why React is so popular over the last few years. So first one is it is very ease of development, and the collaboration which we do on React is very easy because of the reusable components. Most of the users can use others components as well. And then it is SPS, a single page application. So whenever we build any website, so through React we can build only single page applications, no need to create so many pages for all the websites and all. And then it has very fast performance. As I told, because of this fast performance, many users are started using React. And then it is easy to maintain, so it is not like very hard like JavaScript to build all the UI components. It is very easy to maintain. And then React is also well supported across all the languages. So few of the companies which support React is Facebook, Twitter, Netflix, Uber, and then PayPal, BBC. So all these companies are using React as their major work tool and all. And then it has, in the last few years, it has built a large community among React. So now if you see the community of React, there are many open source developers who are contributing to React, and then they're building new things on top of the React. And then they're also React native for Android users also. So basically React is not only limited to web development, it also has some use in React native apps like Android apps and all. Over the last few years, the community in React has increased very largely. It is like a linear curve. So many users who are using React, so they're contributing open source projects, and then their work towards React is very more, and it is helping others to build the community. And then it also has some Android apps. So using React native, we can build Android apps also. So it is not only limited to web development. It's also we can also build some Android applications using React native. So based on all these things, the graph of React is very much linear. So the number of users using React is very much large. It is increasing day by day, and I think over the next 5 or 10 years, React will not fade away. This is it. So thank you everyone. Thank you for watching.